Ah. Oh. What happened? Oh, a big fails while trying to cut a cake.
Gingerbread man.
Gingerbread
house.
house. Oh! Here, let me see.
Clean it for me.
Let me see. Like, can we just open it from right here? Yeah, like one gets a piece from a roof and the other roof, and then. Just grab a piece.
I'm trying to break.
Yeah, here.
No,
That one's about to fall.
Yeah. I got someone a piece.
Kind of good. Yeah, I got it.
No,
I'm strong.
I'm stronger.
There you know. Come on, more so good. I think it's like coffee.
How much?
No.
Please.
Here, Abby. You react.
Oh no, she bit mine.
Okay, that's all y'all are getting for today.
How
Move
rude.
along.
How rude.
I'm playing. I'm still trying to. I got it. Here. That's what?
No. I didn't like it.
That piece.
Throw it away. Or give it to me.
Mm. Thank you for watching. Put a like or subscribe. Thank you.